Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Explorer. To begin, locate and click the File Explorer icon, which looks like a yellow folder, usually found on your taskbar. This action opens the main window, presenting your computer's file system. You'll see a navigation pane on the left and content on the right, making it easy to start exploring your documents and drives immediately. Organizing your files is simple. To create a new folder, navigate to your desired location, right-click in an empty space, select New, and then Folder. You can easily move files by dragging them from one folder to another. Renaming is just as easy. Right-click the item, choose Rename, and type your new name. These steps help keep your digital space tidy. Finding specific files is efficient with File Explorer's search function. Simply type keywords into the search bar located at the top right of the window. You can refine your results by applying filters for file type, modification date, or even size, helping you pinpoint exactly what you need. For quick access to important folders, right-click them and select Pin to quick access. For more control, explore different view options like details or large icons from the View tab. Keyboard shortcuts can speed up your workflow. For instance, Ctrl+C copies a file and Ctrl+V pastes it. To save space or share multiple files easily, right-click a selection, choose Send to, and then compressed, zipped, folder. These tips enhance your File Explorer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.